Hello, it's me again, John Olsen, Mongo TV. It's me, John. I know what is wrong with the Microhelicopter. So, it's this, I don't know what is in English, but the tail rotor, this is not working. But I need both my hands. So the transmitter working, but you can see the tail rotor. It's not working at all. Okay, now it's working. Okay, that was funny. Okay. I think it's because it's 7 years. It could be a bit rusty. So I put it on the floor. So I don't think it's working, but it's to fly. Oops. But the tail rotor, but if I use the rudder, the tail rotor will work. Like this is only the throttle, so something wrong. But I think I will run the power off. The tail rotor is working. So I think I will try to see if this charger from the transmitter is working. So, but I don't know what's wrong. But it's not. It's $1.30 or 40. Cost about $1.30 or 40. So I had to buy a new one day. I found I'll buy one for fun. I never spent so. I've spent $300. I bought two and batteries and lots of spare parts. And I will try. Okay, we have to put it off, of course. And then I will try to charge it from, maybe I have to take it off, and then I will put power on. It's light in green, but the wire is well, there's a green light here, so I think when this is going because it's so old. It's 7 years old, but I not use it so much. But I think when this turn off, it will be ready. So I just do it. So I maybe need to replace. I don't know what is wrong, but maybe I just need some fresh batteries, but I cannot afford. So I can try buy some 6-8 new AAA and put it in and see, maybe it helps. And if not, I don't know, it's a spare part. But this is a short video about me try to get my 7 years old Microhelicopter. I don't know if it's a Syma or UDI, but I will try to look at it.